This is the COSTWAY 35-inch lawn roller. It can take up to 17 gallons of water in it, and when it has 17 gallons of water in it, it weighs about 125 pounds, so it's going to put plenty of weight down onto your lawn, whatever you're needing to do with it. It can be used by hand with the handle here, or you can remove this pin, drop the handle down, and then hook up to your lawn tractor and pull it around your yard easier, instead of pulling 120 pounds around by hand. Something I do dislike about this roller, before I bought it, I didn't think about how I'm going to store it. So that's something that you have to consider when you're buying one of these things. It is actually a really large item to store. It's 39 inches wide with the 35-inch roller, and it's about 54 inches long for the handle. It does stand upright, but you need to lean it against something, so it doesn't take up too much space, but it is a large piece of equipment that you do need to store. When you get your lawn roller, there is a little bit of assembly to do, but don't worry, it's really easy. All you need to do is connect all the components. All the bolts come with it. It's built really well. The steel's really strong and it's not giving after using it at all. There is a little bit of rust coming up. That's because I'm storing it outside. We don't have anywhere to store it inside. It did just rain and we've got a ton of molehills, so I thought now would be a good time to roll all them out with this roller. You can use this when you're seeding to make sure the seed gets some good seed to soil contact, or you can just use it after it's rained to level out your lawn a little bit. But if you're looking for a good lawn roller that you can pull by hand or hook up to your lawn tractor, I'd highly recommend you get one of these COSTWAY 35-inch lawn rollers.